Good day everyone, Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is August 29, 2022. Another weekly analysis, just a day late. Weekend passed and we are on Monday. But anyway, I just want to start chart. Here is the monthly chart for S&P 500. And let's zoom in here. Let's see what is happening. So market just reacted in the month of August. We had very nice candle to the upside, but here's the SMA 20. Nicely rejected SMA 20, nicely rejected 23% Fibonacci level. So the next level is going to be here, probably around 3,967. But I would see a major bear market, folks. It's not over yet. I know lots of bullish sentiments are coming. Well, sentiments are bearish, and some people are saying because sentiment is bearish, so we are long. But folks, don't just rely on the sentiment, because sentiment is one factor among the other factors inside the market. So don't fool yourself just because sentiment is bearish. You should be long. It's not good time to just follow the sentiment. I just want to show you, I know if you're my subscriber, you have seen my analysis before for the monthly chart. And here is the 2001, and look at that, what happened. So in 2000 we just break through SMA 20, and here's the stochastic. Lots of people are saying we are into stochastic oversold condition, and this is a bull reversal, so we are going to see a very nice rally. But look what happened after that. So stochastic can stay there for a long time in a oversold condition. When we are just losing the momentum, it's going down. So we didn't get back above SMA 20 monthly chart, so that's what I'm looking at. And here is the 2008, again the same price action. So market just went below SMA 20, reacted to 50, going back up, rejected 20 by this doji candle, and look what happened. So this is June, this is July, and this is August, kind of like a flat, slightly positive compared to July. And then look what happens, September, October. Look at the size of these candles, folks. This is very brutal. And look at the stochastic. The stochastic is in oversold condition. So when market is down, stochastic can stays there for long time, even for more than you think. And here is our today market. So we've been down. Stochastic is coming here to bull reversal, but this reversal can just come back again to the oversold condition. This is just a close up here. So this kind of stays here for a long time when price is going down. So right now market reacted to the oversold condition daily chart because Friday was ugly sell-off, but we are below SMA 20. As long as we are below SMA 20 on monthly chart, I'm bearish. I'm not bullish at all. So when we close one monthly candle above SMA 20, we should be bullish. But right now we are bearish, and I'm still bearish, and lots of downsides, to be honest, are coming. Here is the weekly chart. Look at the weekly chart. This is a reversal, and reversal happened just close by SMA 50, sorry, on weekly basis. Here's the trend line, nice trend line. We expect prices reversing back down. Same level, but kind of like a different timing. I thought that the market is reversing back down around September 12 to September 16. That's what I told my subscribers. And still there is going to be a possibility to have another high. We will get back to daily candle, but here's the level that I just point out. We should see a market reaction to this level, and this is not the one that I just drew. This is the one that I drew last analysis. You can see that here's the level, and nicely we see market just starting the week slightly positive. And just because it was a daily oversold condition. However, this pullback can go further down to here to 3,900 around this level. So if we take out this pivot low, market will have a sharp sell-off, I would say, coming down to 33.83 to 3,200. So This is the area that I'm looking for a major bounce for the market. Probably we will have a significant bounce, like a 10%, 15%. Again, that's going to be a very a typical bear market rally. So don't fool yourself with those stuff. We are into major bear market, and this is just the beginning. I know that trend wise we are still bullish, but this is the beginning of the major bear market. Same thing, oh sorry folks, same thing happened in 2008 and also 2001 as well. So here's the one. So you see every time we are getting back up, all people are saying, okay, we are getting back to the bullish momentum, but another lower low. So this is a fourth consecutive lower low in 2000, and here is the fourth consecutive low in 2008 and 9, and right now we are just finishing 1 and 2. So there are another I don't know, other two lower low, probably to this area. I would say that's going to be my level for ultimate bottom. Still we are up there, so we can't say that. But for this week, I would say market probably just going around chopping, sloppy and choppy, forming a bearish consolidation for October. Again, watch out the September, October. That's going to be very, very ugly months. Market, I would say this is a daily chart, and daily chart, as you saw here, we mentioned this in our Telegram channel, and we mentioned this RSI reaches there. This is a typical reversal point for S&P 500, and look what happened to the RSI. So this is a nice area that I told you. Whenever we get there, market is pretty overbought, very, very overbought, and look what's the reaction afterwards. So we are getting to this level and probably just a bounce up and then coming back down again. So that's going to be a scenario that I'm looking for, and probably a sharp rally all the way to here, 4100 maximum. I'm not saying market can't go to, okay, let's focus on the daily chart. Market can't go to higher high. There is still possibility, but again, a very low possibility. Just because here's the area. Okay, let me just point out. Here's the area that I'm pointing out. If you look at my previous analysis, I just pointed out here's the level that I'm looking for the first reversal. If market can stretch above this, this is going to be the second area, but I'm sticking to this one. And when we released that analysis, we were somewhere here, and sure enough, we get there, we close some long positions, we start to short the market, and we are nicely in the money now. Market, just S&P reacted to SMA 50 on the daily basis, but it is below SMA 200, it is below SMA 20, it is below SMA 150. And sure enough, this is the only moving average, and we are not relying on the moving average. We are relying on this pivot, and look what happened. This is a very, very technical reaction due to oversold condition. And here's the oversold condition. So probably we will have a bounce again to the middle of this candle, probably I would say 4,125, or this is the line, I would say, yeah, 4,100, let's say 4,100. That's going to be the level that I'm looking for, another short opportunity. I expect market have a bounce. This is a bounce from this area, but that was not big enough, and a sharp sell-off just on Friday smashed everything. So this is the exhaustion candle, short term, and fair enough, we have a bounce, but this bounce is going to be nice. I would say shorting opportunity, but we are not going to short right now just because this bounce can stretch to here. We're looking just for a setup in a smaller time frame. We are into a bearish channel. This bearish channel can stretch down to here, and if you follow my previous analysis based on the weekly chart and daily chart, here are two areas, a 3200 to 3400. that's going to be level. I'm just looking for this one, 3400, for a major bounce here. So if price is coming down to somewhere around October 28th or so, so I would say this is a pretty nice opportunity for buy. So if you want to buy, I would say this is the area that you can buy, and you are pretty close to the middle of the bear market. So if you're an investor, I would say this is a good buying opportunity to accumulate more shares. Right now, you should sell any upside target to this area. That would be selling opportunity for another sharp sell-off to here. Okay, I think I finished up and covered up everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button. And also subscribe to our channel, Technical Analysis with Ali. Have a good day. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.